Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hopping right into today's video, we will be taking my lifelong friend and client Natalie from the normal Teasy Light Technique to a full tightly packed baby light. I am doing the 2-to-1 method, which is 2 baby light Lightener foils to every third foil being a low light. If you have been following me for quite some time now, you know I usually never do the 2-to-1 or 3-to-1 highlight low light method. I usually do all my Lightener foils, then randomly go back through every few foils and put a low light so there's no pattern and it looks extremely natural. However, my client Natalie loves a lot of dimension, so I'm using the 2-to-1 technique today. Our goal today is to bring up her blondes, give her a little bit of a natural money piece, and brighten her up just a tad bit. She wants a little pop more than she has now and wants to be very, very warm toned, and that is amazing because it goes really well with her undertone. So I'm using the Love of My Life Blonde Life by Joico. Blonde Life in 20 is always my go-to for my blondes, and a 16th ounce of the liquid gold Olaplex. Her low light formula is Joico Lumishine Demi Liquid 6NWB and 5NG. 2/3 of my formula is 6NWB and 1/3 is the 5NG. You guys already know I have always loved Goldwell colorants for low lighting and root toning, as well as Redken Shades EQ. And about 2 years ago, I fell absolutely head over heels in love with Lumishine liquids for root toning because it covers really, really well. And at the time, Shades EQ didn't have an NA line. Now, over the last several months, I have been diving into the Lumishine line. I always use Joico's Vero K-Pack Permanent for clients who want permanent color, which I rarely use. You guys know I love Demi Permanent. It's easier to kick out and looks very lived in and natural. For great coverage clients, I always love Joico's Age-Defy Double Pigments. Now lately, I've been using their new double and triple pigmented gray coverage line, which is Youth and Lock. It's double and triple pigmented and leaves the hair feeling like silk, and it's filled with great ingredients including collagen. You guys got to try that. And for clients who do not have great coverage and they really want a permanent color, I'll use now the permanent Lumishine line. Joico's Lumishine line, whether it's Demi Permanent, Permanent, Liquid, or Cream, is pretty and beautiful, and they have amazing tones and ranges. Lately, I've been using the Demi Liquids for more than root toning. I use it for a lot of low lighting now, like I am here today, and sometimes I even use it for my all-over toners. If you have never tried Joico or their Lumishine line, you best get on it because you have no idea what you're missing.
Why you lying on me when they asked you denied me? Everything you told me has been a lie. When you told me I was the only one, pull the trigger on this loaded gun. Feeling that I have for you has come and gone. No, I don't wanna be, I don't wanna be, I don't wanna be, I don't wanna be the other guy. When I saw you standing there, I asked myself, why did I ever give you the opportunity to ever hurt me again? I don't wanna be, I don't wanna be, I don't wanna be, I don't wanna be the other guy. Never lied on.
I am packing these frame our foils in back to back to back, leaving very minimal subsections. We want this to be a very blended, beautiful color with an amazing, beautiful, long grow out. Also, as you guys can see, I washed her back foils out when I finished the right front section. Does not want to be a level 10 blonde, so there is no reason to process her hair that much. I want a consistent lift all the way through. A tip for you fellow stylists out there, whether you're new in the game or plenty years under your title, is to start in the back, especially when doing baby lights or microfoiling if you aren't the fastest. Also, always use a lower developer. By starting in the back, it's easier to wash the foils out if they're already done and lifted to where you need them to be. With a client who is new and it's their first session, I always absolutely start in the back. I would say half of the time I do start in the back. If it's a client I've done previously before and a blonde client, I will sometimes start in the front for ultimate brightness. But if you aren't very quick yet with foiling and you're new to the game or new to baby lighting or micro foiling, you have to water bottle them out. Never be lazy. Keep your client's hair healthy. At the end of the day, you just don't want to process somebody's hair off. So start in the back. It's easier to just dunk them into the sink, put a deep conditioning treatment on it, clip it up, and continue on. They'll thank you in the end. Alright, so we washed her back out. It's looking good. We did a low light every third foil. And now we have beautiful foils. We're gonna let her process for like 10 to 20 minutes and then we will tone her and we'll be right back. Kind of scary to think several years ago the clients would leave looking like this, just with a quick toner all over, no root toner, no nothing. That goes to show you the game is forever changing. So I applied Olaplex number 2 all over her mids and ends, as I always do, and now I'm detangling her hair with my favorite bath pack brush. I'll link Bath Pack down below in their Instagram so you guys can check them out. They have so many cool things. Just got a big shipment last week. When I do my root toning, I like the hair to be detangled and easy to work with. Also, don't kill me, I totally forgot to record mixing the root formula and my all over toner. You guys see me do it all the time in all my videos, so it's not a big deal. Also, I did 3 videos in this day, as well as 7 clients that day. So it got a little hectic, a little crazy. I'm going on a little break, so I want to make sure I have content for you guys. So please forgive me if I forgot to show anything I normally do. For Natalie's root, I'm using Lumishine 6N, 6NA. She's a natural level 5, so I went with 1 level higher, the 6N, 6NA. You will see me use it all the time in my videos because it's one of my favorite root toners. I always section right down the middle into 2 sections, sometimes 3 like I'm doing here today. I always love using my Samvia wide-tooth combs to comb the root through. You don't want to not comb because if you do, it will leave a harsh line. Another cool tool I love using for blending the root when I'm toning the root is the Olivia Garden Eye Blend brush. It's a must. Also guys, I don't know if you've heard of it, but I recently got the Wow Comb, which is made specifically for things like this. It has a roller so when you comb, it doesn't drag the color down. How cool is that? I always have Olaplex on the hair part 2 as a barrier or a deep conditioning treatment, so I don't have to worry about that. But if you don't do that, the Wow Comb would be great for you. It would be a great investment to add to your arsenal. I'll use it in a video coming soon so you guys can see what I'm talking about.
I don't wanna be the other guy. Never lied on anything but your chest. You were the only one, I gave you my best. Now you wanna try to run away from me. The shot that killed you was your own insecurity. Never lied on anything but your chest. You were the only one, I gave you my best. Now you wanna try to run away from me. The shot that killed you was your own insecurity. I don't wanna be. You don't have to be. I don't wanna be. You don't have to be. I don't wanna be. You don't have to be. I don't wanna be the other guy. I don't wanna be. You don't have to be. I don't wanna be. You don't have to be. I don't wanna be. You don't have to be. I don't wanna be the other guy.
So I toned her with Redken Shades EQ 9N, 8WG, 7G, and a pinch, the smallest pinch of 7T. And this is our finished results. Oh my god, you guys, we are in love. Who says that warm blondes can't be pretty and have fun? This is gorgeous for her, especially for autumn. Thank you guys, as always, for checking out my content. I do this for you guys. Leave video ideas down below in the comments section of videos you do want to see. Tell me what you think of this result. Constructive criticism, well, it's always welcome. And I mean always welcome. Remember to give me a huge thumbs up, share with friends and family who might be interested in this content, and subscribe because it's free to do so. I'll catch you guys in the next one. So long for now.
The other guy.